Ever get the hiccups and just can't make them stop? Here's what's actually going on inside you. Under your lungs is a big dome-shaped muscle called the diaphragm. Normally, it pulls down smoothly to help you breathe. But sometimes it gets irritated, maybe from eating too fast, fizzy drinks, or swallowing air, and it suddenly spasms. Each spasm yanks air into your throat so fast that it slams your vocal cords shut. That sudden snap is the hic sound you make. And here's the weird part. Scientists think hiccups might be a leftover reflex from when our ancestors had gills. It served a purpose millions of years ago, but for us, it's basically a useless glitch. Most hiccups fade on their own, but holding your breath or sipping cold water can help reset that twitchy muscle. Follow for more gross body facts.